Hi, guys. In this episode, we're going to talk about the reasons or possible reasons why your iPhone might be getting hot when it's being used. So, first, it might be that you're actually using an application or several applications that are very intensive in the use of the processor of your iPhone. So, for example, if you use video editing, like a application like this one, let me show you. This one right here, CapCut, that's an editing application, and it's very graphic and processor intensive. So if your iPhone gets hot while using applications like this, don't worry about it. I mean, unless it's actually getting so hot that you can't actually hold your iPhone, well, right there, I would suggest you actually stop using the application, and you might have another problem, which is the next thing we're going to talk about. So, what could be the other problem? It could be that your battery is it's too old. It's already went through too many charge cycles, and it's time for a change. What can you do to actually verify this? You can go to your settings apps, or mine is right here. You can also find it by swiping down from the middle of your screen, like so. Type in the word settings and click on the icon right here. Okay, we're going to scroll down right here where it says battery. Okay, I'll click there. Okay, so as you can see, the second option says battery health. Let's click on that. Okay, so the first indicator says maximum capacity 100%. So this is telling us that my battery is perfectly healthy, and the reason for that is that I just bought a new iPhone, so there's no reason for that to be less than 100%. But as you use your iPhone, it's going to start to diminish because batteries are not perfect. They may last a long time, and they may last a lot of charge cycles. But eventually, after many cycles, it starts to degrade, and it starts to not hold the same amount of charge as it did when it was new. Okay, so what you can do here, if it's below 80%, or if it's nearing 80%, you might think about changing it. And when it's in those percentages, around 80%, your iPhone and your battery is having trouble using that energy because the battery is too old. So as I say, it might be time for a change. And if your iPhone is actually getting too hot, especially if you're not using intensive applications like the one we talked about, then I would be a little bit worried. So I would actually take the iPhone to a dealer or to a repair shop and change it as soon as possible, just to make sure that no accident occurs. Okay, you don't want your battery to blow up, and it's weird. It might be it doesn't happen a lot, but just stay on the safe side, guys. So that's it. I hope this helps, guys. Please like and subscribe so I can give you guys more helpful tips. See you on the next bit.